Hey everybody, Scott here for a book review of C.S. Lewis's Cosmic Trilogy, often called the Space Trilogy as well. The three books are Out of the Silent Planet, Peralandra, and That Hideous Strength. Peralandra was my favorite. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what Amazon gives for the trilogy, just a little bit. It's really well worded and really sums it up nicely. It says, C.S. Lewis' classic sci-fi trilogy dealing with the adventures of Dr. Ransom. Told with a wealth of imagination and sense of adventure, all three tales incisively draw out the realities of good and evil, God and the devil from the fantasy. The Cosmic Trilogy is a remarkable work of fantasy, demonstrating yet again the powerful imagination of C.S. Lewis. So a quick rundown, Out of the Silent Planet, very, very good. Dr. Ransom gets kidnapped and taken off to the planet, and I believe it's Mars. And just goes into just really, really cool. I don't want to give anything of it away. Very, very good. Peralandra, my favorite book. He then is taken to the other planet, which is Venus. Peralandra is the name. And just fantastic as well. Definitely the best one, though. Amazing, amazing world he built in that one. Just a water world kind of a thing. And just so cool. All the animals and the fruit and the descriptions are just so vivid and amazing. Now That Hideous Strength is here on Earth with Dr. Ransom after all of these adventures he's had, and it goes into a crazy kind of world in England that has happened, and this whole academic thing, kind of you can imagine in America, this whole academic world is taking over and really kind of confusing ideas and concepts and philosophies, and he really digs into C.S. Lewis. I really respect because he really digs into a lot of theology and philosophy into his fantasy, and so you're actually learning real things, real philosophy, real theology, and just really cool. I respect in that way. So That Hideous Strength, though, it gets pretty dark, it gets pretty crazy. Some really violent aspects in there. Actually, a little bit of cussing in this one. I was kind of surprised by, but pretty tame stuff. Basic curse words, I guess. But overall, the whole trilogy, and he ends it off really nicely. In That Hideous Strength, closes everything together, wraps it all up really nicely. So it does work out pretty cool. And there's twists and turns to every single one of these books that I couldn't guess what was coming next usually, and the end of it was always a surprise to me. So he really did an amazing job. He's a fantastic writer. I just have a lot of respect for him. And if you don't know, he's also written a lot of theology books and papers and things like that, just tons of stuff. So anyway, get these books, links down in the notes there. I'm gonna put a couple different links for you guys, but I listen to them all on Audible, just 8-9 hours each or something like that. You can buy them on paperback as well, Kindle as well, Kindle edition. So yeah, read them, comment in the descriptions for me, spread the word. I don't think too many people know about these books actually, so that's kind of why I'm doing this one. So